Why, hello everyone! I'm your lovely host Innocent, and welcome back to Innocent's Voice Acting Advice, or as we like to call it, Eva. Today's topic is how to lead a VA project. Today's topic was requested by Ace Koopa. Thanks a lot, buddy. First off, no matter what type of project you're running, be it indie video game development, comic dubs, audiobooks, what have you, you need to have a game plan. Schedule everything out, to the tiniest of detail. Before you even think about getting voice actors, you have to make sure the bases are covered. Make sure you actually have things for your voice actors to, voice. It's rather unprofessional to get a giant cast of actors only to tell them that you're still writing the script. Unless you're paying them and have had them all sign a contract, having them wait around until you're ready, they may just leave the project. Next, when casting, be clear on what you want, and I swear to any higher power out there, if I see another casting call with the phrase, "say what you think would fit," or any other variant of that, I will murder somebody in cold blood. Know what you want each character to sound like and list those characteristics. Try not to have contradicting terms in the descriptor. Sure, having a well-rounded character is good, but when looking for a specific type of voice, contradictions lead to confusion, and no one wants a confused actor. Also, contracts are important. If it's volunteer work, you don't have to worry too much about this, but for any other body of work, you need a contract. NDAs are common so that you have trust that your actors won't go blabbing about your project, and release forms are near mandatory. Since it lets all parties involved make sure that the actor has allowed you to use their voice in your project. If you're paying your actors, which you should, a contract for that to make sure you both know the amount that is being passed between you two is a pretty big must. Finally, if you're paying your actors, make sure you actually have enough money to compensate them. Don't go spending the budget on other things. Actors find it insulting if you don't give them the agreed upon amount. Plus, it could land you in a bit of legal trouble. Wait, did I say a bit? I mean a lot. Alright, so you have the script, you have your actors. Now what? If it's something small, you could give the actors their lines and what you want them to sound like, give them a deadline to turn it in by, and be on your way. If it's a bigger project or you want to make it easier on everyone involved, hand out the script to the actors so they can give it a cold read on their own, then schedule a time where you can do a live read. Live reads save lives. Trust me. These live reads could be split up into multiple sessions with the whole cast, just one-on-one with the director, or any number in between. Live reads make sure that the actor doesn't waste any time when sending the lines into you, and you already know that they nailed the line. It's a win-win. Also, to any actors out there that might have not done a live read before and are a bit nervous or scared, it's all right. Trust me. I was really nervous my first time too. Innuendo's out of the window, but push that nervousness to the side. Trust me, it's not that bad. Everyone's going to be happier in the long run this way, and they're going to hear what you sound like anyways, so why not just act in person? Now that you have all your lines turned in from your actors, you can finally work on making the final piece, whatever it is that you're making. Sharing with your actors when the project will be released and when they're allowed to talk about it should be something that's brought up either before the script is shared or very soon afterwards. Many actors are excited about what they work on and want to share it on social media. So let's say you're developing a game. You want to provide your actors with when they're allowed to openly speak about the project, a release date for the game along with the platforms it's going to be on, and maybe some art for the characters. Oh, maybe even a small video clip in-game with them voicing their character. I know, it may be extra, but think of it as advertisement. Free advertisement. When all's said and done and you release whatever it is that you've made, shoot a link to your voice actors to remind them that it's out. And hey, make sure to credit them. If it's a video, link to their social medias in the description. If it's a game, in either the opening and a slash or credits, list their name. It's pretty simple, just give credit to the people who did the thing. So there we have it, the basics to leading a VA project. Have any suggestions or requests for other Eva topics? Leave them in the comments below, or at me on Twitter, Creating Love, or join my Discord, link in the description. I'm more than happy to help to the best of my ability with anything. Almost anything. This has been episode number 32 of Eva. So break a leg, go out there and voice act to your heart's content. We never speak of that. Anyway, if you liked what you just watched, feel free to click or tap here and it will take you to the latest video on my channel. Or you can let the YouTube algorithms choose a video it thinks you'll like. Magic! And of course, you can click or tap over here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Come join the cult! We're always open to new members. Anywho, I hope to see you all soon. Peace out. Bye-bye!